Is National Dessert Day. So if you have been dieting, today is your day to indulge because you have an excuse. It is the national holiday of desserts. What better way to celebrate than with our good friend Hollis Wilder. She is the three-time Cupcake Wars champion, and she is the owner of Sweet by Holly with 2 wonderful locations, one right here in Orlando. Great to see you.
Oh, nice to see you.
Thanks for coming. John, you look fabulous like that.
You're spectacular today.
You even have spiders.
Oh, you're
got it
so
all. Nice.
good.
All right, so we're talking about some fun things you can do with the kids,
With
right?
your babies.
Okay.
And those babies are now getting out of like Power Ranger outfits and they're starting to get scarier. And they like things that are a little bit grosser, right?
Okay, yeah, sure.
So go ahead and show us. We're going to take just our regular chocolate cupcake. Whoopsie daisy.
Let's
We have a regular chocolate cupcake. And then I want you to take a
So we're making this one right here.
We're making this one right here.
So what did you write?
So you can write whatever you want.
All right, I'll stick with
on
Boo.
a chocolate mint cookie.
That's B-O-O, John.
And they're trust me with the piping bag.
He's going to have a piping bag. Now you just need to, that's right, nice even pressure. There you go.
Good.
And then we have some green icing.
Okay, go a little faster, John.
Yeah, just move it along there, buddy.
I don't have, okay, mine's going to be Bo.
Yours is Bo.
Because I don't have room.
Bo
Outlaw was just here.
So
mine is
there
Bo.
There you go, there's
because
that.
I don't have enough room for Boo. And then you just...
Nice, you just stick it in. See
Look
how
at that.
fun and
I'm going
easy
to come
that
work for
is?
you.
Bo is not as scary as Boo.
I only need 4,000 more of those.
Great.
And then Amy's going to make a spider cake.
And Hollis, what I think is so cool is that you actually come up with all these designs yourself, right?
Yes, I do.
See, that's so fun.
And then my sweeties make the thousands of cupcakes.
Oh, come on, Amy.
Okay, so I'm making
nice
3
even
circles,
pressure,
right?
darling.
Oh, see?
Nice
John, I stink at this
even
more than you do.
pressure. You can't mess this up. Now 1 circle, 2 circles. And then 1 more time. See, you could do this with your 5-year-old.
No, but should I go back and fix this one?
Yes,
that
dear.
doesn't look very
Now
good.
I want you to draw with your
You're not helping.
toothpick
Sorry.
from the center out.
Hollis,
You're
I
trying to be
stink.
too perfectionistic now. Come here.
Okay, all right, ready?
From the center, pull towards yourself.
So anybody can do this, even...
Pull and keep doing it over and over and over again.
What is she making again?
Closer, so it really looks like a spider. She's making spider web on top of the cake.
Hollis, I stink at this.
So closer, like this, Betty. Betty Crocker. Here we go. There you go. See?
Now it looks
pull
like a spider.
That's it. Keep going, love. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Okay, this is cool.
Nice,
really
right? So fun. So can you imagine you have a bunch of cakes like this at your house?
Okay.
You get all your little neighborhood goblins
What
to come
kind of cake
over.
is this again? It looks
This
delicious.
is a chocolate cake with caramel filling and white chocolate icing. And
Amy's over there.
then we have, you know, if you don't want to
you
do
can't
all this
mess it
work,
up.
you can go to the Sweet by Holly shop in Waterford Town
this is
Center
cuter than mine.
and get your
Easier.
collection of all of the decorated cupcakes. And look at this. I just want to show you this.
See, this is pretty cool.
Okay.
So you, Ephraim, here, look at this. So
Yes.
she even decorated those, so it's personalized.
It is, and it can be your
cute.
individual 1 mini trick or treat.
And how much, if you just want to come in and buy a mini? Can
If
you
you
come in
just
and buy a
want to come
mini?
buy a mini, it's $2.
$2.
But they're $18
But you may as well
for
get
the
the
dozen.
whole dozen.
You're not
might
going to
as
drive
well.
all the way there and
You're
get
not
one
gonna
chocolate.
drive there.
Cupcake.
Hey, a couple more things. What else did you have for us
So
here?
I
'Cause
thought
like
it would be
this.
so much
Cute.
fun. This is really great. So you have a glass jar at home. I know you have so many of them. You discard the lid, and then you have these flameless flicker candles.
Right, those are cute.
And you turn them on.
Of course, we can't see them.
We
We're in
can't
the middle
see
of
them
the
because
light
we're
here.
in bright light. And then you fill this up, and then you want to take that spider web
fluff it.
mesh.
Okay.
Do you know how to do the spider web mesh?
Yeah.
You just pull
make
it
it real
and it makes-
big, right? Poof it out.
going.
This is
and
what I do to my hair every morning. I poof it out.
Yes, there we go. And it looks like spider web, see?
Right.
And now you're going to stick it in the jar.
Okay, nice.
And it glows nicely, huh?
It glows. You can put it outside on your front porch.
Right.
Put some scary
That's
music
so
out
cute.
there.
You make your own little lantern,
and then
basically.
you add some spiders
I love
to
those.
it.
That's cute,
Isn't that
Hollis.
fun?
That's a great
Easy,
idea.
too. I mean, that
easy?
really is. That's an easy one
That's a
there.
good one.
All right,
And then
good
we
stuff.
have
And
this
then
cute
the
little
body
gift
bag.
body bag. You can get these at your local
hilarious.
Target, Joann's. Put your cupcakes in there, and you can.
I love it. And deliver them to your neighbors and your friends.
You can, but without telling them who it is.
Right, that's
You
the
know,
best.
what is it
The
called?
boo. You call
The
it
bow.
boo. You boo your friends. No,
So it's good that you did the
bow.
bow.
either
You bow them.
bow or boo your
You
friends.
go to their
If
house
you get
and
something
you drop
on your
it off.
step and it says bow, you know it was me that
Well, if
dropped
it's on
it.
fire and it's a paper bag, that's a whole other
That's a
thing.
different
Oh,
story.
gross. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, your website.
Sweet by Holly, and I'm in the Waterford Lakes Town Center, near on Alafaya, near UCF, and then also in the St. John's Town Center.
Any more
in
cupcake
Jacksonville.
wars in your future?
No more cupcake wars. They keep asking me, but I tell you,
You can only win so many times.
3
right?
times
3
is
times
great.
is good enough.
By the way,
darling.
Jamie, am I the
Times is great.
only one who loves piping bags?